Want to make your Power BI tables display more information than they already have? Conditional columns let you do just that. They are one of the several ways to add new columns in Power BI. In this video, we'll focus on how to create columns based on logic and conditions, a powerful feature that mimics the if function in Excel, and that too at scale. Let's jump in. I've already imported a table called movies, and if you want, you can download this file and practice along. The link is in the description. As a first step, I will transform data to launch the Power Query Editor. We will create two conditional columns. The first one will be based on the column runtime. This column contains the length of the movie in minutes. We want to categorize movies into three categories: short, mid, and long, based on the length of the movie. We will categorize a movie as short if the length of the movie is less than or equal to 60 minutes. In case it is more than 60 minutes and less than or equal to 120 minutes, we will categorize it as mid. And all other movies, that is one longer than 2 hours or 120 minutes, would be long. Let's see how do we do that. Since we're going to add a column, we will click on Add Column and then on Conditional Column. You'll see a simple dialog box appear. The first thing that we can provide here is the new column name. Let's call this column as Movie Length Category. Next, we need to provide the conditions. It's a simple if condition. In the column name, I will select runtime. In the operator, we can provide is less than or equal to, and value will be 60. If the runtime is less than 60, then the category is short. Click on Add Clause to enter the next condition. Column name is again runtime, and the operator will be less than or equal to 120. Output will be mid. Now for the next condition, we need not add another clause. We can just provide the value long in the text box next to else. Press OK and we get a brand new column with the name we had provided. It was easy, isn't it? Let's look at another example. We have another column, original language. English movies have the language as EN, and then we have different language codes for all other movies. Click on conditional column. Add the column name as language. Select the column name. Operator will be equals and the value will be EN. I will write English in the output. And for all other languages, I will write others in the text box next to else. Press OK to create the column. Click on Home and then close and apply. If I go to the table view, I can see the two new columns. That's how simple it is to create conditional columns. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you'd like to learn more about Power BI and Excel, consider subscribing our channel, Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.